You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. Only good. Are we rolling? Oh, damn, sorry. Hi, my name is Ritvik and today I've got three earbuds with me. Jabra Elite 3, Jabra Elite 85T and Galaxy Earbuds 2. Let's have a look at this beauty first. Jabra has established a strong reputation with significant and dependable earbuds like the 75T. But now the company has come up with a set of more affordable set of speakers, or the true wireless earbuds. And it works quite well for this price range. Let's first talk about the structure. These Jabra Elite 3 looks quite different and maybe seem like these are not the best fits for your ear. But quite surprisingly, or rather unsurprisingly, I would say that these fit quite well in my ears. I mean, these are very snuggly and fits just perfectly to my ear. Even though you cannot see it, but these just fit too comfortably in my ear. All thanks to the round ear tips instead of the oval ones that the Elite 85T buds come with. We will talk about this later in the video, but for now, let's talk about the case. The case is tiny and portable, which makes it easier for you to just carry it in your pockets without feeling that uncomfortable bump. The charging indicator that you'll see has been positioned in the front, unlike the other Jabra models, which is quite good. You can see how much it has been charged just right in front of your eyes, and it's good. These earbuds are quite light and feel very suitable when you have to use it for longer periods without irritating or soring your ears. However, the drawback is that it lacks the active noise cancellation feature. But I was still quite surprised to see how well these managed to subdue the outside noise, which is quite impressive. Moving on to the charging and battery life of Jabra Elite 3, there is no wireless charging here, but you are provided with the USB-C type for wiring chargers. Once the case is fully charged, it gives you a juice of about 20 hours of listening time in all, which I think is pretty incredible for this price range. Now here is the Jabra Elite 85T, which is quite superior when we talk about the Jabra Elite 3 models in context of sound and other features. The hinge, when we talk about the hinge, you can see in Jabra Elite 3, it feels like a cheap plastic, which is not a problem at all. But when we talk about Jabra Elite 85T, it looks pretty much greased out. Also, when we talk about the tip, now let's talk about the tip. As I said earlier, when we talk about the tip, you can see that while Jabra Elite 3 has a round tip, this one, 85Ts have a much oval tip. I would any day prefer these ones, Jabra Elite 3, because of these circular tips. These fits just very snugly to my ear. These are very comfortable. Not saying that these are not comfortable, but we have our own preferences. Jabra Elite 3 also does not have a multi-pairing facility, which means that you have to disconnect it from the first device before connecting it to the other device. Also, these are not water resistant, which means that you cannot take it out. You can take it out in the rain, but don't try to baptize it. I mean, that's just plain stupid. However, in comparison, Jabra Elite 85T does give you an option for multi-pairing facility, which means you can be listening to music from your laptop and you can take an incoming call from your phone without having to manually switch it. With these, you can also adjust the intensity of ANC with a slider in the Jabra app. So yes, Jabra Elite 85T does have an option for active noise cancellation, which is pretty good. These Jabra Elite 85T comes for a price range of 13,999, whereas Jabra Elite 3 comes at, you can buy these for 5,500 rupees. So if you are someone who is new to TWS buds, I recommend you going for these ones, these Elite 3 ones, because these are quite impressive for the price range that it has to offer. A wise man once said, "Do as the earbuds do." So following that wise man, we bring to you the Galaxy Earbuds 2. This cost you around rupees 11,999, and honestly these are quite small and light, and this just fits very comfortably inside my ear canal. And I won't lie, this sounds like butter. I mean, this just sounds so good, man. I just love this. Galaxy Earbuds 2 comes in a white compact case, as you can see. This also has a USB-C type charging. Galaxy 2 has no buttons like Jabra, but you get the touch controls in this one. You can see that it has a triple microphone system, so there is no way one can complain about your voice not reaching them if you are stuck in a traffic jam and there's horn blowing from all sides. These buds come with an active noise cancellation feature, and with my experience I can safely say that it lasts for about 5 hours with ANC on and almost 7 or 8 hours with the feature turned off. Talking about the case juice, I went for almost 2.5 days without charging the case, and it powered the buds just perfectly. Once you turn the ANC feature on in this one, you just go into a deep void. Like, oh man, who am I? But this is what ANC is supposed to do, isn't it? The other night I was just listening to some blues while I was prepping for some sleep, and boy did I meet BB King. I'll tell you, these just sound too good. The ANC can be turned on and off by long pressing the left bud. I took Jabra Elite 85T and Galaxy Buds 2 for a trip outside because of their somewhat similar price range. Both these buds worked quite well in cancelling the rumbling of the vehicles outside, but I would any damn day would prefer Galaxy Buds 2 over these ones, because these are just so small and so light, and it fits perfectly to my ear. I just love it. Okay, here's the exciting part. Galaxy 2 earbuds have a new dedicated chip called the Voice Pickup Unit. What it does is that it picks up random voices and helps the machine learning model to help understand to cancel the voices that you don't want. So it's pretty incredible. On the concluding note, Galaxy 2 Buds sounds like a good value proposition for me. These are light, sounds amazing, and looks quite hot. Can I keep this one, boss?
No!